In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on gestures on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Open the main Settings app first, and then tap into the search option at the top and type in gestures. If you see gestures from the search results, tap on it, and then you might need to tap on it again to get to the correct page. You should also be able to find the gesture settings manually, either as an option on the homepage of the settings, or within the System or General Settings page. Within the gesture settings, you should see the types of gestures on your device, and if you tap on one of these, you can turn it on or off, or view how to perform it. That's how to turn on gestures on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.